Hi, good people. Welcome to our second non-synchronous class. And today we're going to talk about superlatives. To begin our class, we're going to review superlative adjectives. You probably remember superlative adjectives from last semester, the third semester, and you probably remember that we use superlative adjectives to describe one person or one thing in a group. And this person or this thing has more of a quality than the other people or the other things. Let's see the example. Here we have the evil stepmother from Snow White. Snow White, the Disney movie. So the stepmother, the evil stepmother, says, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all?" So she's asking the mirror, the magic mirror, who in the group, in the group of people of her kingdom, who has the quality of being fair, of being beautiful, who has that quality in the highest degree, who has more of this quality. So to ask this question, she's going to transform the adjective fair into a superlative adjective. In this case here you can see the fairest. Now note that superlative adjectives are almost always preceded by the. So we have two ways of forming a superlative adjective. The first one is when we have one syllable adjectives. What should we do? We should add est to the end of this adjective. For example, we have again the adjective tall. So you look at this group of people and you see that this guy, his name is Sultan Kozan, has more of this quality than any other member of this group. So we can say that Sultan Kozan is the tallest in the group because he has the highest degree of this quality. More than that, Sultan Kozan is, and he really is, the tallest man alive. So there's no one in the entire human race taller than this guy. So he is the tallest. We also add est to the end of two-syllable adjectives ending in y. So if we have an adjective that has two syllables and ends in y, like happy, what we're going to do, we're going to drop the y. We always drop the y. We're going to substitute it for I, and then we're going to add est. Happy becomes the happiest. But what if we have two-syllable adjective that doesn't end in y, or if we have three or more syllable adjectives? We have three or more syllable adjectives. What we're going to do, we're going to add most, the word most, before the adjective. So take a look at this beautiful car. This is the Bugatti La Voiture Noire. The name is French. So this car is the most expensive car in the world. So If we think about the cost, about the money, there's no other car superior to this one. So it is the most expensive. It has the highest degree of this quality of being expensive. But just like the comparatives, we have this group of words: clever, quiet, narrow, polite, and simple, that can be used in the two forms. So I can say cleverest or most clever. I can say quietest or most quiet, narrowest or most narrow, politest or most polite, simplest or most simple. Although most polite and most simple are way more common than politest or simplest, but it doesn't mean that politest and simplest are wrong. They are correct, they are just not common. We also have these irregular superlative adjectives, like good, that becomes best, bad, that becomes worst, and far, that becomes either farthest or furthest.